Are you ready to see how Telegram is revolutionizing the way we think about instant messaging and finance? Let's dive into the exciting world of Ton and discover how various features, including mini apps, Ton Space, and Telegram Stars, are turning the Telegram app into a powerhouse of crypto innovation. You might have already explored mini apps, introduced by Telegram, to allow developers to build interactive services within chats. Everything from engaging games to essential DeFi services. This elevates Telegram from a simple communication tool to a comprehensive interactive platform that seamlessly integrates everyday utilities with entertainment. Take Notcoin, for example, a mini app game that introduced many users to earning cryptocurrency, marking the beginning of an era where fun meets financial opportunity. By the middle of 2024, Telegram mini apps had surged to a staggering 500 million active users. This explosive growth isn't just about diversifying app usage, it's about forging a new path from casual messaging to sophisticated crypto operations. The mini apps act as vital conduits, gently ushering users from the familiar world of instant messaging into the more intricate realm of digital currencies and blockchain technologies, all within the Telegram ecosystem. Turning our focus to Ton Space, it's a non-custodial storage solution built right into Telegram. Users can manage NFTs and buy and sell tokens like Hamster Combat and Catizen without leaving Telegram. By November 2024, Ton Space had notched up over 100 million registrations, proving its value in providing a secure and efficient platform for managing and transacting digital assets. And what about Telegram Stars? This internal currency, designed by Telegram, bridges familiar Web 2 experiences with the expanding Web 3 ecosystem. You can spend stars on in-app transactions, from tipping and premium content to discounted advertising and in-game items, all within Telegram's familiar interface. Topping up is a breeze. Just use fiat or Toncoin, and if you want to switch back, you can convert them back into Toncoin whenever you're ready. It's a straightforward gateway for both newcomers and seasoned crypto users to explore new financial possibilities, all in one place. The integration of mini apps, Ton Space, and other initiatives is doing more than just enhancing user engagement. It's transforming how users interact with digital currencies. This strategic collaboration has catalyzed the activation of millions of new wallets and fostered a vibrant ecosystem of transactions, highlighting the successful melding of messaging and financial technology. As we conclude, remember there's even more in the Ton Telegram toolbox, like at Wallet, Ton Connect, and more. Dive in, explore, and expand your digital horizons with Telegram and Ton today. This isn't just a call to action, it's an invitation to be at the forefront of the digital revolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, share the excitement with your friends, hit subscribe, and join us next time for more insights.